Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you look up private lenders using your Propwire account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Why would you want to look up private lenders using Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate business, you know that access to funds can really hold you back. And with Propwire, you can look up private lenders in your area to maybe send marketing material to and make a connection. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already pulled up my Propwire account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to look up private money or private lenders in your area, first off, go ahead and choose your farming area. So you can type in a city or a county. I'm going to go ahead and just type in Las Vegas. Okay, and I'm going to click on it. Okay, you can see there's about 500,000 properties logged with Propwire. Now to filter these out by homes that have potentially a lien on them from a private lender, you're going to click here on lead types. Propwire makes it pretty easy. You just scroll down until you see this right, private loans. And they even give you a little bit of information on it. It says properties purchased in part or in whole with money from a private lender. Private lenders are often rich individuals who will fund real estate investments with better terms than hard money lenders. So these are great contacts to make. So I'm going to click on private loans, and it's automatically going to go ahead and start filtering out. And it looks like they have about 800 properties in the Las Vegas area that they think have a private loan on them. So all you do is just click on one of the properties. Once you do that, click on history up here on the top. Okay, now if we scroll down to the mortgage history right here, you can see there's something called All Western Mortgage. So that's just a regular company. However, at one point in time, it may have a lien right here from just a name of a person. So this would be a private money or private loan. So this is all the way back in 2018. So it might have already been paid off. This might be some sort of a refinance. So that's one. And then you just go through the list. And if you want, you can actually zero it in to maybe just this particular area, wherever you need help funding your deals. Because, you know, for example, Las Vegas, if there's a private money lender up here on the north, maybe they don't really like to lend on properties up there. They only like to lend on properties maybe down here in the south. So maybe for starters, you want to go ahead and focus in on the properties that your deal is in. And then once you found their information, go ahead and just skip trace them. If you need help skip tracing, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to look up private money lenders using your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.